Hello everyone, welcome to CSC HSCT classes. From today lecture, we will starting from the subject of compiler design. First of all, what is a compiler? A compiler we have to translate the language from one system to the another, or written in the assembly language to low level language, that is called as a high level language to low level language. Okay, first a high level language, that is called as a source code or input. Low level language, that is called as a target code. Okay, output. So first of all, what is the structure of a compiler? Structure of the compiler, we have to use source program to compiler to target program. Okay, so we have to use in source program any errors. Compiler means translate from one language to another. We have to use the checking the errors, that is called as a error message we have to display it. Okay, this is the structure and compiler. What is the definition of the compiler? Means we have to translate source code written in high level language and into target code. This is about a compiler design. And the next one, that is called as a, what is the examples of compiler design? What are the things of the compiler design? For example, we have to use a C, C++ or a basic, COBOL, Fortran are the examples of a compiler. And the next, what is the work of an assembler? So a compiler, assembler, processor are the different types of the language processors. First of all, what is a assembler? Assembler means translates source code in assembly language and target code into machine language. Machine language means we have to use as a output. Target code we have to use as a output. And the next translate source code is called as a input. So what is the structure of the assembler? Assembler structure ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే we have to use a assembly means we have to use the code, that is called as a assembly means we have to use as a modified code. After then we have to use assembler to mission code, that is called as a targeted code. What are the examples of assembler means? That is called as MASM, gas, AS86. These are the TETC, etc. These are the assembles of a language. And another one, that is called as a linker. First of all, what is a linker? Linker is nothing but linker and loader are the two processors we have to use as a compiler. First of all, what is a linker? Linker means we have to, it is a program that links the two objects. It is a program that links the two objects. It is a program that links the two objects containing the compiled or assembled from a single file, that is called as a linker. So first we are linking the object from linking the different types of objects files into code for a standard library functions. Okay, this is called as a linker. So linker, what is the diagram of a linker? How do it works? First of all, translator. Translator means we have to translating the data from one system to the another, and the next second one, that is called as a objective one, that is called as the objective file, and the second one is called as a objective 2, this is called as the objective 2 file. Both are combining within the linking process, that is called as a linker. After then these two files are connected with the only in the linking statement, that is called as both files are combined, object 1 and object 2 file 2. This is called as this is in secondary memory, we have to store in secondary memory, and this is stored in the single file, that is called